Turn one photo into your own reusable talking avatar with VisionStory. Let's turn your photo into your own talking avatar in VisionStory. Choose Upload to start with your own portrait. For the best result, choose one clear front-facing person with good lighting, a fully visible face, and some room around the head and shoulders. If the upload fails, try a clearer photo that follows these guidelines. Drag to reposition the person, then use the zoom controls to set a comfortable distance and leave enough headroom. Choose 9:16 for vertical video, 1:1 for square, or 16:9 for widescreen. A tightly cropped source photo may not fit every format. The Change Look tool uses image to image to restyle this avatar. Generate Image creates a new character from a text prompt. Both work through an AI chat. After upload, VisionStory automatically assigns a suitable voice based on the person's apparent age and gender. Open the voice selector and use the play button on the right to hear a sample.
Hello, I'm Jane. A great voice for...
If it doesn't feel right, filter the library by language, gender, age, or use case, then preview other voices before choosing one. To test your avatar, enter a short script. Then select Generate Talking Video. Your talking avatar is ready to use. It is saved to your characters collection, visible only to you, and ready to reuse without uploading again. Subscribers can create and keep unlimited avatars. When you no longer need an avatar, hover over its image and select the Delete button in the top right corner. Review the confirmation carefully before removing it. Your photo is now your own talking avatar, ready to bring your next story to life.